Alright, so let's make this little neck piece that we have for the trowel head. And that's going to be a cylinder. So create the cylinder here. And then I'm going to change the radius to, I don't know, 0.3 maybe, 0.25? No. Wow, that's nowhere near small enough. Looks maybe like a 0.1 at the most. Yeah, that's going to be too much. I'm going to give it eight divisions on the axis. 8 subdivisions on the axis, because I think I'm going to have to boolean this into the trowel head and make the height 1. If I do that, then I'm going to want the fewest number of divisions I can have. So we'll make the radius a 0.07. That looks about right. So we have the height of 1 and the subdivisions of 8 on the axis. We don't need any caps on this, so we can make that a 0. We're just going to delete anyway. We're going to delete at least one of them. And subdivisions on height, I'm going to go with 3. That way I can get this bend in here. So I'm going to go to faces, and I'm going to select the faces here. Actually, it looks like this, before I do that, it does need to be, I made the height 1. It looks like it needs to be shorter. We'll do 0.7. It's pretty short. This is not a very long. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Then we'll go to faces, and then we'll grab those faces right there. And I'm just going to select this and bend it out like that. And that's what we got. Go to object mode. Press 3. And you're going to see, oh, it rounds over. I don't want that. Well, you got these faces here. I made them n-gons, so they're easy to find and delete. I can grab both of them. And then I can press delete, and they're gone. And now I don't have to worry about that anymore. And then I got this shape right here. Now, this looks like it's wider at this end than it is at the base. So I'm going to select those vertices there and scale them from the center. And I'll select these down here, and I'll scale them to the center as well. So it'll taper. And then we got that. It might be a little bit more this way. Or this way here. Alright, cool. So that was an easy one. Just doing that little piece there. And yeah, we will, I'm actually going to rotate it. Because if you look here, the hole, I have the hole going the wrong way as compared to this here. So we'll have to rotate this. If you move the faces in a different direction, so like when I have these faces here, let me just show you that real quick, these faces. If I move them on the z-axis, I would not have this problem right now. So I'll go to object mode. I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit, and I'm going to look over here and go, okay, it's in my channel box, it's 90 degrees. And it'll be fine. We'll be done with that there. All right, so make sure you save, and then we'll go to save scene as, and I'm going to put in a trowel 0.01. And then we can increment and save. If we type in 0.01, there you go, save as. Yeah, I made one earlier that I decided I didn't like, so let's stop recording now.